Welcome to my crypto YouTube channel. My name is Jemmy and I am thrilled to have you join me on this journey as we explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. My goal is to provide you with the information and resources you need to make informed decisions about your investments in crypto. I believe that cryptocurrency has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money and financial systems, and I'm excited to share my knowledge and passion for this technology with you. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned crypto veteran, there's something for everyone on this channel. I'll be covering a wide range of topics, from the basics of buying and storing crypto to the latest developments in the industry. I'll also be sharing my own experiences and insights as I navigate the crypto market, and I encourage you to share your own thoughts and questions in the comments section of each video. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of crypto and learn more about this exciting technology, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey. Together, we can learn and grow as we discover the potential of cryptocurrency. Thank you for choosing my channel, and I can't wait to share my knowledge and insights with you. Stay crypto curious. Like any other high beta space, the crypto market is driven by sentiments. The fundamentals and technical aspects matter, but nothing beats the emotional triggers. And what could be a better tool than the Crypto Fear and Greed Index to gauge the unpredictability of user emotions? The growing FUD, the building FOMO, and the when limbo expectations, user emotions in crypto are random and diverse. Imagine this: you have created a solid Bitcoin portfolio by checking the key short-term technical indicators like candlestick patterns and MA, moving average, crossovers. You feel confident with your research. Yet, the portfolio suddenly starts bleeding, leaving you questioning your methods and analysis. What could have gone wrong? The answer: you didn't consider the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. But it's never too late. Here, we explain what the crypto, or Bitcoin, Fear and Greed Index is and how to use it. Why do we need another index? Don't we already have enough crypto indices: the Nasdaq Crypto Index, NCI, the NYXBT, New York Stock Exchange Bitcoin Index, and the S&P Bitcoin Index, SPBTC? As much as these indexes are resourceful, their primary job is to track the performance of the assets. None of these indexes take the user emotions and the broader market sentiments into account. See, there is a glaring gap. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is meant to fill this gap, taking several data points into account and combining them as a standalone statistical entity. Just to be clear, the index isn't a financial instrument but a sentiment-analyzing market indicator meant to complement your investment-focused analysis. Unpacking the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is among the many popular sentiment indicators. It is an often used tool to analyze market participants' thoughts, feelings, and responses, those with digital proclivities. Simply put, the Fear and Greed Index analyzes user sentiments and crypto-specific emotions daily, crunched from different sources and presented as a simple number. The history. Ironically, the Fear and Greed Index was developed keeping traditional financial products in mind. CNNMoney developed the index in 2012 to serve as a multifactored measure of market sentiments, the stock market, to be precise. It was later tailored for the crypto ecosystem by Alternative.me as a generic crypto sentiment index. This index analyzes several market indicators and returns a daily value of 0 to 100. While 0 is extreme for fear, market participants are wary of the conditions. 100 is extreme for greed, showcasing widespread participation/buying and building FOMO. The elements. Even though the mentioned index underpins two specific emotions, fear and greed, the transition from one to the other spectrum concerns multiple elements. At 100, participants are most optimistic and on a buying speed. The index drops with profit booking, and the optimism starts moving into the anxiety territory. Anxiety is followed by denial when the participants shrug off any dip as a minor correction. With dipping prices comes panic and discouragement, with the Fear and Greed Index moving closer to the sub-40 territory. Participants perceive subsequent index drops as buying opportunities, pushing the emotional bandwagon into the hope and optimism territory. It is interesting to find that you encounter optimism at the extremes of the crypto fear and greed index. Here is a detailed wave showcasing the emotional ride from 100 to 0. How is the crypto fear and greed index calculated? The Fear and Greed Index takes several market indicators into consideration, crunches data according to the predetermined weightage, and condenses everything to come up with a number between 0 and 100. Here are the sub-index indicators in play along with the weights. 1. Volatility. Market volatility is a key indicator, and it has a weightage of 25% in developing the Fear and Greed Index. This indicator looks at the maximum Bitcoin drawdown for the Bitcoin index and the current market volatility relative to the monthly and quarterly volatility averages. High volatility means more fear but may also lead to trader enthusiasm. 2. Market momentum. This indicator is also called the Crypto Fear and Greed Index Volume Indicator. It also has a 25% weightage. Regarding the calculation, the index factors in the current trading, buying, volumes and compares them with the monthly and quarterly averages. High current volumes hint at an overly greedy space. 3. Social media. It is only appropriate to have a social media indicator as part of the index, primarily to gauge coin-specific chatter across social platforms, for example, the in-crypto trading community on Telegram where traders and experts share their opinions about cryptos. This indicator has a 15% weightage and is calculated using hashtags and social responses. Here is the Lunar Crush platform that lets you check the social mentions and engagements. 4. Dominance. With a weightage of 10%, dominance is easily one of the trickiest and most effective sub-index indicators. Here is how it works in relation to the fear-greed narrative. Growing Bitcoin dominance means less greed for other altcoins. Therefore, if the cryptocurrency's dominance is seen growing, the market starts moving towards the fearful zone. Similarly, a drop in Bitcoin dominance hints at growing greed. Due to the 39+% market dominance, Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is often used interchangeably with the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. 5. Trends. The Fear and Greed Index pulls search queries from Google to determine the coin-specific search volume, primarily Bitcoin. The change in search volumes helps measure the change in the index values. This indicator also has a 10% weightage. 6. Surveys, paused for now. Currently paused, surveys have a 15% weightage when it comes to their role in helping populate the Fear and Greed Index. When active, surveys usually include crypto polls with a standard sample size of 2,000 to 3,000 individuals. And that's how the Fear and Greed Index takes shape. The value is updated daily, depending on how the sub-index indicators change. Benefits of using a Fear and Greed Index. By now, you should know how the Fear and Greed Index is put together. Now, before we move to the real-time implementation of the same, are the advantages of using the same in the first place. Helps present a broader view of an otherwise volatile market. It doesn't change overnight, instead, it moves slowly in a particular direction. Comes forth as a relative index that changes, drops or surges, as per the relative price levels. Helps traders save valuable market research time as it covers volatility, dominance, volume, and other important data sources. Gives clear information about the market extremes like when the assets are available at a discount and when they are entering the bubble territory. Presents a fairer picture of the crypto market during a bull run and a bearish phase. It can be used to make aggressive investment decisions, much like a short selling Bitcoin or any other crypto asset. Helps sketch out the riskiest phases using market sentiment without directly giving any financial advice. Criticisms of the Fear and Greed Index. As we saw, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index has its advantages. Yet, it's far from perfect and has been known to attract the following criticisms. Projects the short-term sentiment analysis and hardly helps with the bigger picture. Skewed heavily toward two erratic indicators, volatility and volume. Doesn't offer a lot of trading support when the index is near the neutral, 50 levels, or the price action is sideways. still needs technical and fundamental indicators to present a clearer picture. Doesn't take whale activity, exchange inflow, and trade intensity into account. It can change significantly even when the price doesn't move much. How do traders use the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index? Despite the numerous advantages and a handful of shortcomings, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is a reliable trading tool. Here is how the traders use the same to gain a competitive edge in an otherwise volatile market. Dividing the index scale into 4 quadrants. You can divide the index into 4 different zones. Extreme Fear or the orange zone, 0 to 24. Fearful or the amber/yellow zone, 25 to 49. Greed or the light green zone, 50 to 74. Extreme Greed or the green zone, 75 to 100. Zone 1 projects Extreme Fear. It also offers the best buying opportunity and might also mean that a price reversal is near. Zone 2 is the fearful zone. This happens at the onset of a bear market when the prices start dropping sharply. These levels can quickly go up in a bull market, but in a deep bear market, the fearful zone often means more correction. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you found it informative and valuable. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. I'll be posting new videos every day, so make sure you hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd also love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Thank you again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.